Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can cut an audio in CapCut. So here I have already opened my edits and also I've already added an audio, but I want to remove because it's too long rather than my video. So what you need to do to cut the audio is just go to the part that you want to cut. For example, in here, then click on the audio and then here choose split, and to delete the part of it you can just go to the part that you want to delete and click on delete, and after that you are done. So that's basically it. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.